everybody, I'm Dave. Today we're cooking up some smoked pig shots with cream cheese and pineapple. This is gonna be tasty. Let's get it started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna slice up the kielbasa. We're gonna cut it about 3/4 of an inch or even maybe a little more. And this is gonna give us our base for our shot glass that we're gonna make out of bacon. Okay, now the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use this the base of our shot glass, and we're gonna wrap the bacon around the bottom, and we'll put our little toothpick through just to hold it there. And you'll see the top, that's where we're gonna put in the cream cheese with the pineapple and brown sugar. Now, I'll keep wrapping these, get these all done, and then we'll work on our pineapple and cream cheese mix. Okay, now we've got these wrapped up. You can see our little shot glasses formed there. What we're gonna mix together is our pineapple. Gonna save a little of this for topping those off later. Our brown sugar. And I'm just gonna mix this all together. All right, so I just started putting the filling into our little pig shots here. You wanna make sure it fills up nice. You can see it goes in pretty easily here when you've got the cream cheese soft. Now that we've got all these filled, we're gonna just put a little touch of crushed pineapple, and then we're gonna put a little touch of a sweet rub on top of that. Okay, now these are all filled up. We've got our little rub on top, a little extra pineapple. We're gonna throw them on the smoker at about 275. We're gonna put them on for an hour and then take a look and see how the bacon looks. Okay, it's been about an hour. Let's take a look, see how these are coming along. Oh, they look really good. The only thing we want to do is get the bacon a little more crisp, so we're going to give it about 15 more minutes. They should be done. Okay, it's time for the pig shots to come off. These smell so good. Of course, anything with bacon and sausage is going to smell good, but you can also smell that cream cheese and pineapple and a little of that brown sugar in there. These smell incredible. I love anything with bacon. And then the pork sausage on the bottom, this cream cheese. You smell the pineapple and the brown sugar and even the rub. Just hold it by the little toothpick. Time to dive in. That sausage on the bottom, the bacon, the flavor with the pineapple and the cream cheese with the brown sugar, and even just a hint of that rub on top. Such a fun, quick, tasty appetizer that will surely be a crowd pleaser. You gotta give these a try. Take care, everyone. Spread love through barbecue.